This video tutorial I will explain what is email. Email stands for electronic mail. Email is a way of sending messages and information from one person to another person using the internet. Email is like sending a letter, but it is all done digitally on a computer or a smartphone. Now we will see how email works. The first one is sender. Sender is a person who wants to send the message. They open their email program and create a new message. Email program examples are Gmail, Yahoo Mail or Outlook. The second one is recipient. Recipient is the person who will receive the message. The sender types in the recipient's email address, which is like their digital postal address. Third one is message. The sender writes their message in a special space, just like writing a letter. Sender can also attach pictures, documents, and other files. The fourth one is send. Once the message is ready, the sender hits the send button. The message travels through the internet and reaches the recipient's email program. Fifth one is recipient's inbox. The message appears in the recipient's email inbox. It is like a digital mailbox and recipient can open and read it whenever they like. Sixth one is reply. If the recipient wants to respond, the recipient can write the reply and hit the send button. The reply goes back to the original sender in the same way. Email is the fast and convenient way to communicate, whether it is for personal messages, work related messages, or staying in touch with friends and family. Just like letters, email is the way to share thoughts, information, and even pictures with people. But it happens almost instantly through the internet. Here you can see Gmail inbox. Click on Compose to send a new message to the recipient. And here you can see the two, and here you can write the recipient email addresses. And in subject, you can write the subject, and this area you can write the email content. Click on attach file to attach any files. Once message is ready, click on send button to send message to the recipient. And here you can see all the emails. Whenever you want to read, click on the particular email and read the content. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.